Hi folks, this is Bob from Yes Reports. I'm doing a product review today of Acuvar smartphone tripod, model number MF50TRS. I needed to buy a smartphone tripod so I could do these product reviews. So I bought one and I'm going to do a product review on it. So I'm unboxing it right now. Oh, cool. Look at this. Comes in its own carrying case. Wow, that's awesome. Let's take a look at it. Not bad. For the price I paid, I'm not expecting much, but hopefully I'll be pleasantly surprised. I paid under $15 for this. So let's see. Okay, so AccuView. It's a 50-inch aluminum camera tripod with a universal smartphone mount that supposedly fits iPhones, Samsung phones, and many other types of phones, including, like I said, the Apple and other smartphones. Wow, Acuvar. Not bad. Okay, let's start off with this piece right here. It comes with instructions. And it's, let's see, how to extend the legs to the maximum length, unlock all 3 clamps on each leg, extend every leg segment, and lock the clamps. Okay, that makes sense. This is a 50-inch aluminum camera tripod. And then, look at that, how to extend the center pole. Loosen center pole screw, pull center pole up, tighten center pole screw. Okay, that all makes sense. Okay, let's do it. So, this here is a smartphone adapter. I had an older tripod and I couldn't figure out how to get my phone, my cell phone that I used to make these videos to work. So I found this adjuster. And it should, yeah, it should work. This screw over here screws into the tripod, and this has like a spring loaded, so you put your phone in there, and then you do your filming. Let me pull on this. Okay, this is good. This should work. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay, see. Oh, wow, cool. Look at that. Okay, it's got a base. It's aluminum, it's lightweight, so it's not top of the line, but for the price I paid, I'm going to be okay with it. Oh yeah, here's the screw where you screw in the smartphone adapter. So you screw that in, you put your smartphone adapter in there, and then you screw this in. Yeah, that works. Okay, that works. And then you, okay, okay, and then you go like this, and then you go down. Perfect. So you extend it up, you unscrew this, lefty loosey, okay. Unscrew this to loosen it up, and this should lift up. Let's see. Oh, that's to adjust the tilting part of it. So, oh, you unscrew this on the right-hand side, and that lifts up. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Then you tighten it up again, and then you can tilt it down. Oh, perfect. So when I do my videos, my phone will be in here, and I'll be able to tilt it down, and I could do my videos without having to have my wife stand on a ladder overlooking the demonstration. That's going to work perfect. And then I tighten it up so it doesn't move, and that's perfect. Now these legs extend. Let's see how that works. So you unlock these 3 clamps. Oh wow, look at that. Perfect. And it goes out, it continues, and then you lock them up again. Wow, that's awesome. So this continues up to a total of 50 inches. And then when you put it back together, it goes down into approximately 12 inches, so it's easy to carry. I like it. For the price I paid, yes, it's lightweight, and yes, it's lower quality, but it's going to do the job just right for me. Perfect. So this works for me. And below this video, there'll be a link. There'll be a link to where I got it from, and it's going to do the job for me. Thanks for watching our video. If you like what we're doing, please become a subscriber, and please hit the bell notification so you'll get notified of our new videos. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching another product review from YesReports.com.